Welcome to this moment of stillness. Settle into a position that feels comfortable for your body. Perhaps seated with your spine at ease, or resting on your back with arms softly at your sides. Let your body find its natural way of being. As we begin, welcome each breath just as it arrives, full and complete. This is a space of pure acceptance, where presence unfolds naturally. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice where you feel supported by the surface beneath you. Welcome any sensations of warmth or coolness. Allow muscles to soften with each exhale. Let your attention rest gently on your breath, following its natural rhythm, like waves meeting shore. We'll count each exhale from 1 to 5, then begin anew. Inhale, exhale. 1. Inhale, exhale. 2. Inhale, exhale. 3. Inhale, exhale. 4. Inhale, exhale. 5. Then return to 1 with fresh attention. If thoughts arise, let them float by like clouds while you return to the next number. Each breath is a new beginning. Let's begin together. Inhale, exhale. 1. Inhale, exhale. 2. Inhale, exhale. 3. Inhale, exhale. 4. Inhale, exhale. 5. And back to 1. When you notice your attention has wandered, celebrate that awareness. It's the practice itself that matters. And guide yourself back to counting. Now release the numbers completely. Rest in the spaciousness between breaths, held by the rhythm of your own being. Slowly become aware of the gentle weight of your body. Sounds weaving through the space around you. The miracle of breath continuing on its own. When you're ready, let your eyes open softly. Move with kindness. Carrying this calm awareness into your next moments.